We'll guide you through how to connect Zoom to Calendly seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to the top right where you see the integrations option and click on it. This will take you to a page with various apps that Calendly can connect with. Look for Zoom, which is usually under the video conferencing section, and click Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your Zoom account. Enter your credentials and authorize Calendly to access your Zoom account. This step is crucial as it allows Calendly to automatically create Zoom meeting links for your scheduled events. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Calendly. Now go to your event types and choose the event you want to add a Zoom link to. Click Edit on the event, then navigate to the What Event is this section and click on Location. You should see an option for Zoom here. Select it and save your changes. From now on, whenever someone schedules an event with you using that event type, a unique Zoom meeting link will be generated and included in the calendar invite. This integration not only saves you time, but also ensures that your virtual meetings are seamlessly set up without the hassle of manually creating and sending Zoom links. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.